Hey, this is Amy the Potter, and I am doing production style glazing of the inside of my mugs. So I've got my liner glaze, and I've got my mugs relatively organized from large to small because I'm going to be glazing down the line. First of all, I want to check the pots on the inside to make sure there's no little pieces of anything, because once I'm coming down the line, I don't have a chance to clean them out. And I have all the handles pointing in the same direction because the way I like to glaze it is I pour my glaze in, I'm going to pour it into the next one like this. Handle sweeps across, and then I'm going to go past the beginning and then back it off to catch the last little glaze drip from dripping on the outside. I make it drip on the inside. So that looks good. Exhale, so I'm connected to my process. And here I go, down the line. At first I can do it a little faster because I've got more glaze in the mug, and I don't want the glaze sitting in the bottoms of the mug so long. Drip, drip, drip. As soon as it gets distinct, I can back it off. I mix my liner glaze a little bit thinner than the rest of my glazes because it can take it, and also because it sits in the mug for like a bit, right? That one has a little drip. I'm going to put it on the outside so I remember to clean it. Drip, drip, drip. Then I know I can do it. Oh. Looks like we're going to make it. Pretty soon I'm going to need a little extra space. I'm going to have to move a mug out of the way. Oh, just barely making it. Let's see if we can do it. Okay, so at the end I can kind of swish it like that, and it gives me a little bit of edge. And then let's see if we can do the last one. Oh my gosh, we're at the edge. Let's see, people, can we do it? Oh, this last one might not make it all the way around, but it's been fun and it'll be fine. And I pour the last little bit into the bucket. Almost made it to all of them. That's cool. And now these are going to absorb that inside glaze, and then see how you can see that the pot is moist. And that is cool because once you wax it, if you're waxing, not everybody waxes, but it dries the wax quickly. And what I do is I just hold this one in my hand while I do the next one. Have fun in your studio. Let me know if you have any questions. Happy to help.